And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're oldie but still goodie, welcome back. It's your girl Keona Michelle, and I'm checking in. I'm coming to you with the unboxing. This is for Your Nail Lab from Makartt. It is the nail box for this month. So we're just gonna go ahead and get into this. No need no long intro. Y'all know this is full of nail supplies. My fave, y'all fave, we obsessed, period. For y'all who don't know, this box is $35 every month. And again, I'll put the link down below if you're interested in receiving a box. If you're a nail tech, this is perfect. If you love to do your own nails, if you're just obsessed with products, nail supplies, things like that, you can try new things for $35 a month. You can cancel anytime you want to. So let's just get into the video. So when you first open it up, it looks like this. It says Your Nail Lab in a box. www.yournaillab.com. It always comes with this tissue paper and it says, "Hey babes." So let's just get into the products. When I take that off, this is how it looks. So they always give you a card that just gives you information about the box. They always have a coupon code. So it says "Just Add Glitter" and you get 15% off right here. So if you want to buy directly from Makartt, you can and use this and get 15% off. Like, who don't want to save a coin, baby? Let's get into the box. So the first thing we have are some nail glitters and some nail decals. I'm going to take it out of the packaging. This is how it came. I'm loving that pink already because it's just popping. You can never go wrong with having these. Oh, they also gave you some stickers in here, which is really cool. So these are the nail stickers that they gave. Here's some right here. Then they also have some little leaves in the back, some white ones as well as like light gray, and then some black ones. So that's really cool. They have a red bird right there. Okay, let me show you the glitters they have. So these are actually light colored rhinestones, like pastel colors. And then they have some gold leaves and some silver leaves. Really cute. They have some colorful like leaves and flamingos. These are cute. I don't have anything like this. We have some glitter, some pink, like hot pink glitter. That'll be cute on the tip of some nails. We have this. It's just a colorful set as well. Got to make sure these things close. I like that popping neon green in there. And then the last one we have are just some little lighter colors. Purple, green, pink. Like that. The next thing we have is a gel polish. This is a nude pink, which is very popular. I wasn't expecting this color, but this is how it looks. That's different. It's giving me like off-white, but it's a nude pink. That is very interesting. Okay. And this is 8 milliliters, which is a nice size. And then we have a base coat, which I don't really use these, but I guess you can use these to glue on your nails. So it just looks like this. Very big bottle. This is 15 milliliters. We have another gel polish, and it looks like this. I can't pronounce the name of it, but I'll put it on the screen for you. And this is a really pretty color. I really like this color. I think it's like lavender, but it's probably not giving lavender vibes, but I think it's like lavender. So that is really pretty. I can't wait to do a set with that color. The next thing we have is some nail surface cleaner. Now, I've never gotten this before. This is the packaging right here. So I would need to look up like how to use this, but obviously you're cleaning the surface of the nails, but I've never seen nothing like this before. So this is how it looks when you take it out the container. 2-in-1 formula nail surface cleaner. Okay, it looks like this. So I take it you're going to be cleaning your real nails. I'm not really sure because I don't think this applies to like press-ons, but that's what we got. The next thing we have is a nail extension gel. We have it in glow yellow. Looks like this. And they give you 2 of these in like every single box. So we already really pretty much know what this looks like. So this is the container. And basically, I'm going to open it so y'all can see what it looks like. Oh, it's so thick. Okay, so this is how it looks. And then they have another one of those in the top notch. Ugh. And this is how it looks. And I'm just going to squeeze a little on the back of the box. And this is more like a glitter. I haven't used these yet, so I can't wait to actually sit down and try them. This is how this one looks. Really cute. That can actually go good with that yellow. So the last thing we have in here is a nail liner in rose gold. I've never seen anything like this. This container is very cute. Okay, so we're taking it off so I can see what it is, because I've never seen it before. It's a nail liner. Oh, okay. I need to see what this is used for. It looks like this. Rose gold color, and it's a nail liner. I guess you can just use a little brush, like the thin brush, and line your nails with this. Okay. So that's everything I got. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Those are all the nail goodies. I'll make sure again to put the link down below if you're interested in purchasing this box or purchasing any boxes that they may have. They sell other things like individually packed things, glitters, everything you might need about nails. Makartt got, y'all already know. But thank you so much for watching the video. I really hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to visit me on Instagram at Musics44 and my business Instagram at Press Nails and Beauty. But until next time, all my KeyBees and KeyDogs, this is Keona Michelle. Your girl's checking out. Bye.